can probably realize, today we're gonna tackle the bedroom. And the bedroom is not actually dirty, but it's the same with all the rooms. They're not dirty, but we just let everything pile up, and now it requires more than just a simple tidy up. It requires a deep clean, and it's good to do a deep clean once in a while. So we're gonna change the sheets, we're gonna hoover, we're gonna put everything back where it belongs, and then we're gonna do a little bit of organizing in the shelves as well. Let's just start. Yeah, let's just start. And since the bed is now empty, I can go downstairs and do some of this laundry.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day.
And now I'm gonna bring out all the laundry that's already done and not ironed. And I'm not planning to iron it, but I'm just gonna put it back because it's been on our sofa in the living room for about 3 days and no one seemed to move it, so I'm gonna move it now. And it is kind of a lot. So let's fold laundry now.
'Cause I promise you this, if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this, if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit,
now this is the part where my boyfriend is gonna help, because I don't like and I don't know how to put on a duvet cover. I mean, I do know, and I will do it eventually if I have to, but it's gonna take me ages. So I'm just gonna put this, then put the duvet cover on top and wait for him to come back from work.